Hi, my name's Chloe Thompson and I'm going to be 12 on the 12th of May. With the girls, we're all going to Thorpe Park. Here's Miley, by the way. Taught her everything she knew. I have a rabbit with one eye. I have a hamster with 3 legs. Looks a bit like this. Quite funny. I have a cat. I have a brother. He's a bit like an animal, but he's normal, luckily. Bit annoying, though. Whew. I got a lovely family full of laughs. I'm very active. I love my trampoline. I love singing, acting. It's my favourite things. That's all I do all the time. It's perform in front of my mum and dad. And today I'm going to sing Part of Your World by Little Mermaid. It's a ballad. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free, wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Betcha on land they'd understand that they don't reprimand their daughters. Proper women, sick of swimming, ready to stand and ready to know what the people know. Ask them some questions and get some answers. What's a fire and why does it, what's the word? Burn. When did my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore the world up above? Out of the sea, wish I could be part of that world. Okay, now I'm going to sing Out of Here by Esme Denters, just a little bit. Get me out of here, 'cause my eyes are burning from these silly tastes, and you've just shown me you don't really care, and you better love me. Someone get me out of this place. It's so amazing how you have so many faces, and you are not that person I thought that I had fell so deep in love with. You changed up your makeup, your DNA. I can't recognize you're a stranger to me. I feel so betrayed. What a waste of my heart and me. Get me out of here, 'cause my eyes are burning from these silly texts, and you've just shown me you don't really care, and you better